Hey, this is Moise. Today, I'll guide you through the process of subscribing to Kfleet's mAIrouting. Step 1. Open kfleet.kasernet.com and click on Subscription at the top. This will take you to a new page where you'll see different options: My Routing, My Vehicle, and My Fleet. Step 2. Since we're subscribing to mAIrouting, scroll down and click on the free trial option. Step 3. You'll be redirected to a sign-up page. Here, you'll need to fill in your details. Name, username, email address. Backup email for OTP verification. Password company. Name, phone number, address. Once done, click Submit. Step 4. After submission, you'll be directed to a new page. Scroll down and click Verify. Step 5. Now check your email. You'll receive 2 emails. Open the first email and click the link to verify your email. Then open the second email. Here, you'll find a trial number. Click on it. It will take you to the Kfleet dashboard. Step 6. On the dashboard, you'll need to update your password. Once that's done, congratulations. You have successfully logged into your Kfleet dashboard.